Welcome to this indulgent 10-minute mindfulness meditation for beginners, crafted to immerse you in a journey of curiosity, relaxation, and the pursuit of inner peace. Find a quiet space and gently close your eyes. In this moment, embrace the opportunity to explore the vast landscape of your inner world. Begin with a deep, intentional inhale, allowing the breath to gracefully expand your chest and fill your abdomen. Exhale slowly, releasing any lingering tensions or concerns. As you settle into the rhythm of your breath, let it be a gateway to the present moment, a portal to the now. Shift your attention to the sensations within your body. Start from the crown of your head and tenderly journey down to your toes. Curiously explore each nook and cranny, acknowledging any areas of tightness or discomfort. With each exhale, invite these sensations to soften, like a gentle breeze dissipating clouds in the sky. As you breathe deeply in through the nose, filling your diaphragm, belly, and lungs, and out through the mouth, slowly releasing any tension. Cultivate a profound sense of gratitude for your body. Appreciate its resilience and the simple miracle of breath. Allow a serene smile to grace your lips as you realize the gift of being alive in this very moment. Inhale curiosity with each breath, inviting a sense of wonder to permeate your being. Picture a soft, radiant light accompanying each breath. A light that sparks your innate curiosity about the richness of your own existence in this present moment. Exhale any remnants of your restlessness or distraction, letting them dissolve into the ether as you breathe. Now imagine this luminous light expanding, enveloping you in a cocoon of tranquility. Feel it extend beyond your physical form. Creating a sanctuary of serenity in the space around you. Inhale the energy of relaxation, allowing it to flow through every fiber of your being. Exhale, releasing any residual tension, and surrender to the blissful embrace of the present moment. As you bask in the soothing waves of relaxation, let your mind wander if it desires, holding no judgment for any thoughts or feelings that emerge as you practice being in the present moment, as you continue to breathe. Gently guide your attention back to the breath, your anchor to the now. Embrace the ebb and flow of thoughts with a sense of gentle curiosity and non-attachment. Inhale deeply, drawing the breath in through your nose, feeling it expand your chest and abdomen. Exhale slowly, releasing any tension or stress that may be lingering. As you continue to breathe naturally, allow the rhythm to guide you into a state of tranquility. Feel the gratitude emanate from your core for taking this moment to center yourself, appreciating the stillness around you and within. Bask in the warm glow of this cocoon of positive energy of your own design. Inhale positivity with each breath, visualizing a warm golden light entering your body. Feel this light as it permeates every cell, bringing with it a deep sense of peace and calm. Exhale any negativity or stress that may be residing within you, allowing it to dissipate into the surrounding space. Releasing any judgments that we may have of ourselves. Always returning to the breath as we embrace the stillness of this moment. Inhale the energy of joy. Exhale any lingering worries. Remembering if your mind starts to wander, gently guide it back to your breath. It's a natural part of the meditation process. Allow yourself to be present, non-judgmental, and thus non-attached. As we approach the end of this session, take a few deep breaths. Slowly open your eyes, allowing the transition back to the external world to be gradual. Carry this calm and positive energy with you throughout your day, knowing that you can return to this inner sanctuary whenever you need a moment of peace. I honor and respect the divine light that is within you that connects us all. Namaste.